Betway Premiership, Orlando Pirates 2, Orbit College 0. Final game of the league, and Orlando Pirates are the champions. Champions! Nithini ngomdlalo namhlanje?
Eish. Ya. Ke bagane e tladila buti, e tladila buti. Old College e korile 2 goal. E korile Old College. Yes. Ya mar bagane a buti e tladila buti. Otherwise bagane e tladila buti e
never
preside, but nan ntoke e batla gore bagane ish. Agio impressed like nge ba sa thoma ka Mbuthuma.
Yeah.
Nge ba thomile ka evidence makopa.
Bathomile ka Mbuthuma, Pirates athola the goal sepedi. Wala lino ka Mbuthuma.
Ke alla ka Mbuthuma because of awuna Mbuthuma coach ya morata ne mara a re letse next a Mbuthuma wa dlala o phela ntse ba mokenya mare a hona goal e scorer.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, evidence makopa ke team player.
Yes.
Ke team player like Arsenal fish wa pass the player o create the goal.
Yes.
You understand? Hayi mfana Mbuthuma.
Yeah.
Wadlala ka morata le wadlala mare mo game ntse so tse important sona mare ke ba sa mo ke abathome ka ena.
Yeah, so se re bambe benching.
Bambe benching after.
Yeah.
Like ba mokeng.
Ya wood.
But otherwise ba ga le sharp ke thabila.
Yeah.
Win.
Yes.
Yes,
man of the match ke man.
Man of the match wa ki Man of the match ke Moremi. Ke Moremi.
O
ba o dladile Moremi. Ke ena.
Ke mo bona.
O mona o ya ke ena.
Bringa phuka ka police league.
Police league.
Police league mfuke.
Ba dladile.
Player of the year ke man.
Player of the year.
Yeah. Gari ke wa.
Player of the year.
Yeah. Awushevile fela o right ka re wo ujoyinka.
Besides Pirates, mo team ka ofela.
Yeah, mo PSV. Yeah.
Agiliol wa Sundown.
Yeah.
Ba ne ka liolo ntadala.
Fitile January.
Fitile January o tsakora.
Wa kora.
Liolo wa Sundown.
Hayi ke awuthi. Sharp bagania.
Sharp bagania.
Ethala.
Sure.